Hello everyone, I am Bernay Claudia.
And I'm Renzo Maxino.
And we are special science class students from Angeles City National High School.
Today, we'll show you the non-Newtonian fluid, or what do we call oblek. Oblek comes from one of the novel of Dr. Seuss.
In this experiment, we will need the following: a basin, cornstarch, and water.
You need to remember that the proportion of your cornstarch must be greater than your water.
Okay, now let's start the experiment. First, prepare all the materials. Put the cornstarch on the basin. Now put the water. But remember,
Your cornstarch must be greater than your water.
now we can start
Mixing.
mixing it.
This mixture shows greater amount of water, so we need to add more cornstarch. A little bit more. Once your mixture is just like a mayonnaise, you have now a perfect mixture.
Yes, we have now.
And for now, we'll try to apply some force with the mixture to see the effect of the non-Newtonian fluid. This experiment shows viscosity. Viscosity is the ability of a matter or resistance of a liquid to flow.
Just like this. Once you exert the force on this, it will become a solid. But once you release that force, it will become a liquid.
The solid cornstarch acts like a crowd of people. Pressing your finger slowly into the mixture allows the cornstarch to move out of the way, but topping the mixture quickly doesn't allow the solid cornstarch particles to slide past each other and out of the way of your fingers. Now we have a perfect mixture having more cornstarch than water. We can now see the effect. Once you apply force with our mixture, it shows the non-Newtonian fluid. This property of matter is called viscosity. Viscosity is the resistance of a liquid to flow. The solid cornstarch acts like a crowd of people. Pressing your fingers slowly in the mixture allows the cornstarch to move out of the way, but topping the mixture quickly doesn't allow the solid cornstarch particles to slide past each other and out of the way of your fingers. Non-Newtonian fluid, because its viscosity also depends on the force applied to the liquid or how fast an object is moving to the liquid.
Other examples of non-Newtonian fluids include ketchup and quicksand. Quicksand is like the cornstarch mixture. If you struggle to escape quicksand, you apply pressure to it and it becomes hard, making it more difficult to escape. The recommended way to escape quicksand is to slowly move towards solid ground. You might also lie down on it, thus distributing your weight over a wide area and reducing the pressure. Ketchup is the opposite. Its viscosity decreases under pressure. That's why shaking a bottle of ketchup makes it easier to pour. I am Joanna Marie Di Bonanadi,
And I'm Angelica P. Rivera.
and we will show you another experiment about physics in the kitchen, which is about density, the slow waves.
In this experiment, we will use the following: an empty bottle, food color, water, and any types of cooking oil.
First, we will put a food coloring on the water so that we can differentiate the water from the oil.
Then, on the empty bottle, we will put the water with food color, then the oil.
So we will put the oil now. We will now show you the example experiment. Once you shake the bottle oil, it wouldn't mix with the water. The water is at the bottom. This simply means that it is denser than the oil. Next, we will show you the movements of the waves. As you see, the movements of waves of the oil with water is slower than the movements of the waves on the pure water. Of course, a normal water wave has air above it, which will have a slight effect on the speed, but it has such a low density. There is a very little effect on the speed. This form of wave is found wherever you have two different density fluids sitting above one another. They don't even have to be different substances. A warm air mass sitting on a cold can form waves, and if a cloud is on the edge of forming, the pattern can be made visible.
Hello everyone, I'm Barbara L. Bartolome
And I'm Denise Alabata.
and will present the last experiment for the physics in the kitchen, which is fireproof water balloon.
In this experiment,
The materials needed are pure water, balloon, candle, and match.
First, fill the balloon with a little amount of water. And with a little amount of air. Then, tie the balloon to close the path of the air.
next, light the candle. Lastly, focus the part of the balloon with the water to the fire. See, it did not explode. The reason behind this experiment is that instead of the balloon to explode, the water inside it evaporates. The presence of water inside the balloon makes it fireproof. Since the temperature of the water is lower, it is one of the factors which makes it fireproof. Instead of making the balloon to burn, the flame only makes the water inside the balloon to evaporate. And this is because of conduction. Conduction is the process on which heat or electricity travels through a solid. Then from solid, which is the balloon, the heat transfers to the water, and that is convection. Convection is the process on which heat or electricity travels through a liquid.